Hello everyone, I'm Sarah, your AI guide. Welcome back to a new English lesson with Safar AI, your journey to better English. I'm here to help you learn about how to tell the difference between using will and using may or might. Let's begin with the key points. Will, for predictions, sure or confident. May, might, for possibilities, not sure. Comparing will and may, might. Practice examples. Summary. Will, for predictions, sure or confident. First, let's look at will. We use will for predictions. This means we feel quite sure about what will happen in the future. Examples. It will rain tomorrow. I'm sure. They will win the match. I believe strongly. May, might, for possibilities, not sure. Now we use may and might to talk about things that are possible, but we're not sure. Examples. It may rain tomorrow. Maybe yes, maybe no. She might call later. I'm not certain. Comparing will and may, might. Let's clearly compare the two. Prediction, will, you feel sure. I will finish work at 6 o'clock. I'm sure. He will come to the party. Certain. Possibility, may, might. You're unsure. I might finish work at 6 o'clock. I'm not sure. He may come to the party. Possible, uncertain. Practice examples. Let's speak together. Repeat after me these questions and answers. What will you definitely do this weekend? I will visit my family. What might you do tonight? I might watch a movie. Will it be hot tomorrow, or might it be cooler? It will be hot tomorrow. You're doing great. Summary. Let's quickly review. Use will when you feel sure about future events, predictions. They will win the game. Use may or might when you're not sure, possibilities. We may see them tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Keep learning with Safar AI, your journey to better English. And remember, practice makes perfect.